Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited about today's video. I'm going to be talking about the latest Patrickstarrr and MAC Cosmetics collaboration. Patrickstarrr did a collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. I think it was around Christmas time, December, January. It was in winter. And he came out with a collection, and I only got one item from that collection. It was the Patrickstarrr setting powder, which is amazing. And I'm sure you guys have all heard a lot about it. So he came out with a second collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. It sounds like there's going to be more than just this and his previous one, but I'm not 100% sure on this. So the spring one that he recently came out with is called Floral Realness, and there's two separate kits in that collection collaboration. So I did pick up one of the kits. So if you would like to see me unbox this kit, then please keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, there are two separate kits in this Floral Realness collaboration with Patrickstarrr. There is a Me So Fleek and Me So Chic, and I did pick up the Me So Chic kit. So these retail, I think, for $49.50, and that is just so amazing because the amount of product that you get in one kit is unreal. So I'm just going to briefly tell you guys what you get. You get one full-size lipstick, one full-size lip gloss, an eyeshadow quad, and you get a powder blush duo, all for under $50. That is such a good deal. It is just so amazing that he was able to collaborate and create such an affordable kit with MAC Cosmetics, because I mean, the price of two lipsticks alone is probably going to be close to $40, I think, because I think they retail for $17 each plus tax. So it's going to be close to $40 for just two lipstick. And you get a lipstick, a lip gloss, a blush duo, and four eyeshadows. It's such a good deal. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I did pick up the Me So Chic. So there were two different kits, Me So Chic and Me So Fleek. The Me So Fleek one was a little bit more bold. I think the lip colors was like a bright pink. And the Me So Chic is more of your everyday, more neutral, toned down color. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the box. So this is the box that it comes in. Look how beautiful that box is. So pretty. And then on the back of the box, it does have, I don't think you're going to be able to read it, but the contents of the box. So this is, like I said, Me So Chic. So I did take everything out of the packet, but I just want to show you guys, the box did come, each item was packed and wrapped in tissue paper, which I really appreciated. So the first thing that you get is a cute little face chart. Look how pretty that is. And this is the face chart with the Me So Chic collection. I think that is so beautiful. And then on the back it says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy, XOXO Patrickstarrr. So I'm assuming that if you get the Me So Fleek one, the face chart is going to be with the Me So Fleek collection. So I just thought that was a really nice touch and just really beautiful that they included that. Okay, so now to the actual products. First of all, the packaging on this is so beautiful. And that's actually one of the main reasons why I was so drawn to this and picking this collection up. Number one was because the kit was really affordable and you get a lot of product for the amount of money. And the packaging on this is so pretty. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the blush duo. So here is the packaging on that. Look how pretty that is. And then it has like a blush pink case and then this beautiful floral design on the top. And then here is the shade. And this is called I'm Not Blushing. And this compact does come with a mirror as well, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you. Ooh, really, ooh, oh my gosh. This corally color, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm building it up so you guys can see the color really well. Look how beautiful that is. That is going to be perfect for spring. Oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful color. I love that color. And then let's swatch the bottom shade. This is more of a, like an orangey brown. And that is the bottom shade. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it already. So that is the Powder Blush Duo. So unfortunately, I'm not wearing this collection today. I am wearing the lipstick, and I'll try on the lip gloss for you guys on top of it. I wasn't expecting this to arrive until tomorrow, so by the time that I got it, it was like the end of the day. I already had my makeup on. So I'm not wearing this, but I am wearing the lipstick. So let's go ahead and swatch the lipstick. So here is the lipstick. Beautiful packaging again. And then it does have Patrickstarrr signature on the top as well. And this shade is called Sweet Mama Star. And this is it. Such a beautiful shade. So looking at it, it looks really nude, but wearing it, it does have more of a pinky tone to it. And I did pair it with MAC's Boldly Bare Lip Pencil. So I'm just going to swatch this right here. Ooh, yes. And this is an amplified cream lipstick, which is one of my favorite formulas in MAC lipsticks. This is such a beautiful shade. There it is right there. So pretty. It is the perfect pinky nude. It's going to look beautiful for spring. I mean, this is all going to look beautiful for spring because I think this is a spring collection. But I'm loving that so much. It's just so pretty. Okay, so the next thing that you get is a lip gloss. This is in the shade Mama Star Kiss. And here is the packaging for that. Again, so beautiful. It does have Patrickstarr's signature on the cap, and it's just a really pretty packaging all around. So I don't know if I've ever used any of MAC's lip glosses. It does look like a light peachy shade. I don't know if you guys can see it through the tube or not. It does kind of look like it's like a soft orange sherbet peachy color. So I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to apply it on my lips as well over the lipstick. Ooh, yeah, this is really pretty. Yeah, it looks like a soft peach, and it looks like it has pink and gold little specks of glitter in it. It looks really beautiful. So there it is on the top right there. I'm sure you guys can see the glossy reflective. It is so pretty. So I'm just gonna put this on top of my lipstick, and we'll see what the lip products look like together. Pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell a huge difference or not, but in person it is really beautiful. It just gives your lips a nice, healthy, like looking plump to it, and just really like glossy and beautiful. I love that combination together. It is so pretty. And the formula does not feel too sticky, which is also really nice. Also, on a side note, I apologize if the lighting is changing a little. The sun is starting to go down, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Okay, so the last thing that you get in this kit is the eyeshadow quad, and this is called Stay With Me. Here is the packaging. So beautiful. Again, I'm just loving this floral design on all of the packaging. And then here is inside the quad. It is really nice for spring. You get a nice light mauve color. This looks like a kind of like a purple raspberry, this? No, it's a little more purple than a raspberry. What does that remind me of? This reminds me of maybe like a plum, like a pinky plum. You get a bright purple, and then you get a, I think this is a dark purple. So we'll go ahead and swatch those shades for you guys. So here is the light mauve. Really pretty. I'm gonna go in again on top of it just to build it up a little bit. Yeah, that is a really pretty shade. Next, I'm gonna swatch this one right here. This is that color that I can't explain. And this looks like it's a shimmer. So there it is on my finger. Really pretty. Wow. Wow, that is really pretty. I'm just gonna like blend it out a little bit. Wow, that is pretty. So that swatch now is looking more like a magenta color. I'm gonna go in again just to build it up a little bit. So pretty. I'm loving that. That is gonna look beautiful all over the lid. I feel like it's starting to get a little dark. I'm almost done. So the next one that I'm going to swatch is this bright purple right here. This is looks like a matte. This one does look like it might swatch a little patchy. Actually, that wasn't too bad. And this looks like a satin shade. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to build it up just a little more. Wow. That is pretty. It's a little patchy. It's not as smooth as the first matte, but you can probably just like build that up and smooth it out a little bit. It looked like a satin, but maybe not. It almost blends out. When you swatch it initially, it looks like a satin, but it almost blends out matte. And the last one in it is, this looks like that dark, dark plum right here. Ooh, this is pretty too. Swatch it right here. Wow. That swatched better than I thought it was going to be. That's really pretty too. A little patchy when you drag it down, but I think it's going to pick up really nicely with a brush and just apply really well. So those are the 4 eyeshadows swatched. And here it is in the pan too. Alright, so that is everything that you get in this kit. Overall, I'm really, really impressed with these shades. I think they're so beautiful. Typically, especially like the blush and the lip shades, I'm just loving those. The purple is a little bit out of my like everyday comfort zone. So I'm really excited to play with these colors because I don't wear a lot of purples, but these are going to be really perfect for spring. I'm really excited about that. So I'll try to create some fun eye looks for you and maybe get a tutorial up for you guys. And yeah, I'm just really excited to play with this collection. I think that the packaging is just so beautiful. Like, you can't beat that packaging. I think it's so pretty. Perfect for spring. I love the colors. I love the floral. It's just really, really pretty. So yeah, that is what you get in the Me So Chic kit. And like I was saying earlier, the Me So Fleek I think is a little bit more bold. I think it had a bright pink in the eyeshadows, and I think the lip gloss was a bright color as well. And I want to say the lipstick was too. I'm not 100% sure, but I just decided to go with more of the neutral, everyday shades. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!